Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. My name is Musa Mohammed, and if you're new here, please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so as to get an update when I upload a new video. Well, welcome to 2021. It's a new year, it's a brand new year, and we're gonna be uploading a lot of videos for you guys to see. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you people to an area in Abuja called LIFECAMP. LIFECAMP. Well, LIFECAMP is a very quiet and residential district in phase 3 of Abuja. The area is a well secured and relatively well developed area. Some of the best views in the city can be seen in this district. Well, the neighborhood also hosts official residence of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. Actually, that's actually really very nice. Living in this neighborhood, you can be having a lot of high dignitaries, neighbors, and all that. LIFECAMP has a number of parks and restaurants in its vicinity, and additionally, Jabi Lake Mall is the only few minutes away from the estate and all. Other places include Abuja Country Club, Rabby Recreation Park, the Clubhouse Restaurant and Hilltop. Wow, this is actually very nice. LIFECAMP has a good infrastructure and is popular outer Abuja district for the city, and it also has plenty of large companies like Julius Berger. Their staff quarters around the neighborhood and all that. And getting around LIFECAMP is actually really very nice because just right close by you have adjacent it is Gwarin Park to the north, Kado to the northeast, Jabi to the east, then Dakibiu to the southeast, Lugbe and likes of them. Well, this district is well connected with a good road network, as you can see in the video. So without taking much of your time, you guys just keep on watching and enjoy the video. Driving just right in front of us is the Julius Berger staff quarters, and it's a very organized neighborhood. As you can see, the road is actually very tiled, and I like the trees, the way they have been organized and all that. So keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, I think we've come to the end of this video, and I'm sure you enjoyed what you saw. So if you like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, turn on your notifications so as to get an update when I upload a new video. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.